In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop unwanted emails and unsubscribe from them in Gmail. We all know how frustrating it can be to open up our inbox and find it filled with irrelevant emails. Luckily, Gmail provides us with tools to help manage our inbox more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Navigate to Gmail by opening your web browser and typing gmail.com into the address bar. Log in if you aren't already. Now, take a good look at your inbox. Here, you'll likely see a mixed assortment of emails. Some are important, some you might want later, and some you never asked to receive or aren't interested in anymore. To begin cleaning up, scroll through your inbox and find an email from a sender that you wish to unsubscribe from. Once you open the email, you should see 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the email. Click those. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, look for the Unsubscribe option, which is typically located toward the bottom. When you select this, Gmail will remove you from the mailing list, making it easier to manage your future emails. However, some emails might not have the unsubscribe link in this menu. If this happens, don't worry. It's usually because Gmail couldn't detect the option in the email itself. Instead, scroll down to the bottom of the email, where you often find the unsubscribe link in the fine print of the footer section. Clicking this link will redirect you, usually to the sender's site where you can confirm your decision to unsubscribe. Another beneficial feature that Gmail offers is the ability to block senders. If you have particularly stubborn emails that keep coming back, consider blocking the sender altogether. To do so, open the email in question, click those 3 vertical dots again, and select Block Sender. Gmail will automatically send emails from this address to your spam folder. Lastly, don't forget about Gmail's Filters and Blocked Addresses feature. You can set up filters to automatically manage incoming emails. To use this, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, and you can create new filters that allow you to specify criteria for emails, such as deleting, archiving, or putting them in a specific folder. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing unwanted emails in Gmail. By following these steps, you'll find your inbox becoming more organized and manageable. Remember, a cleaner inbox can significantly boost your productivity and reduce daily stress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you gain some control over your digital life.